Hey everyone! It's that time of the year again at Byrider with our early tax event. Want to get into a nicer, newer car? Want to lower your payments? Want to save money over the length of your car loan? Just bring in your latest pay stubs and we will estimate your 2024 tax returns for free. Our early tax event program allows you to use a portion of your upcoming tax return to make a larger down payment on your vehicle. This helps reduce your payments, get you into a nicer, newer vehicle, and saves you money over the length of your car loan. Byrider is off to a great start in helping people already, and we anticipate a lot of people are going to take advantage of this program in the upcoming months. This deal does not end here. Let us know once you receive your W-2s, and TaxMax will file your state and federal taxes for you. Just another reason why we've been an industry leader for over 30 years. We're helping good people get into the vehicle they need that's backed up for a 4-year, 48,000-mile warranty, all while building your credit. So give us a call. We'd love to help you. 920-749-7979.